After water, tea is the most consumed beverage worldwide. Tea leaves can be classified in different ways. But the first place is green tea. The nutritional value of green tea earned it that position. Green tea doesn't just mean a mild flavor, a slightly nutty taste, and a feeling of euphoria after drinking it. First boil water and pour it into a teapot. Then put green tea leaves or green tea bag in it. Then keep covered for 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, you can add any fresh herbs if you want, they add a bit more flavor. Now, after pouring the tea into your cups, add some lemon juice or honey as per your preference. The health benefits of green tea are mostly due to the antioxidants it contains. They protect your body from free radical damage. Weight maintenance: those who are health conscious and want to lose weight can lose weight by consuming green tea, and overall health is also good. Reduce cholesterol: heart disease kills more people. There is a need to take care to avoid this problem. High blood cholesterol and high triglyceride levels are the main causes of heart disease. Oxidization of low-density cholesterol can lead to plaque formation in the arteries, leading to heart disease and stroke. The antioxidant properties in green tea prevent cholesterol from oxidizing. 3. The brain needs a healthy blood vessel system to function. Regular consumption of green tea makes brain work more active and memory also improves. It also reduces the risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Lowers blood sugar: research shows that green tea increases insulin sensitivity. These findings seem to reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. However, more research is needed on this matter. Green tea also works for oral health. Dental health is key to reducing the risk of cavities. Antioxidants in green tea kill bacteria that cause bad breath, tooth decay, and various types of gum disease. It seems that green tea can also reduce the risk of oral cancer. However, those who take green tea for oral health should not add honey and sugar. Against aging: the polyphenols in green tea protect the skin from free radical damage. Prevents wrinkles and delays collagen aging. Reduce BP: green tea can reduce the risk of high BP. Green tea appears to suppress the hormone that causes hypertension. Prevents hair loss: antioxidants in green tea prevent hair loss. Stimulates hair cells and helps in healthy hair growth. Reduces the risk of cancer: oxidative damage caused by free radicals leads to cancer. Green tea protects against this damage, resulting in a significantly reduced risk of cancer. Strong bones: green tea is high in fluoride content, which makes bones strong. The risk of osteoporosis is also reduced. Along with this, foods rich in calcium should also be consumed. Finally, green tea has many health benefits. Also, there are some side effects. Green tea should be consumed only in proper dosage to get health benefits without suffering from side effects. Also, don't think this is a magic cure for any health condition. So, start your day with a cup of green tea for good health.